We ordered these bar clamps for a job that we wanted to do around the house. It comes with 2 of them, and these bar clamps each have a 300-pound clamping force. And what is cool is it has a gauge that shows you what force you are using right here. It has holes to hang on the wall and a nice release in the handle. And another thing that is really cool is these 2 clamps hook together, and the ends are also rotational. So you take them off, you can rotate them around like this. Why would you want to do this? Well, it can turn this clamp into one big clamp. So instead of having 2 12-inch clamps, you can have a 24-inch clamp for bigger projects. So key features, the ends are removable and rotational. They connect together for a bigger clamp. They have gauges that show you what pounds you're using. Nice handles, easy to use, high quality, and half the price as other name brand clamps. These did a great job for us and we highly recommend.